Tariff announcements like what happened today and other major changes to public policy can take a toll on the well-being of those who are both for and against the whiplash changes. With more on this, we welcome Jose Luis Madera from Valleywise Health. Good to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, nice to be here.
Just the stress and anxiety of presidential transitions. That's a factor too, is it not?
Yeah, that's huge. Yeah, and I think that, Trump 2.0, I think, is real, and I think a lot of folks are afraid, and I would be afraid too.
Fear of the unknown, mostly?
Mostly, yeah.
Uncertainty, unpredictability, these things that we're seeing, I should say, and hearing about, factors?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I think we hear, if you watch the news, I mean, I know this is a news show, but everything you hear is so different and chaotic, and you just don't know what to believe anymore. It's very confusing for most people.
And it's one thing to experience it, but is it another thing to experience it and have it just persistent day by day by day?
Yeah, I mean, doom scrolling's a thing, right? We all kind of do it. And when I work with my clients, I talk about, it's really helpful to do something that you like and make sure that it's something that's not news related if that's something that's consuming you in that moment, right?
Yeah.
Like I like a good steak, but I have terrible acid reflux, right? So I know if I'm going to eat steak, I need to take my pills, right? So I think I would do the same suggestion with my clients, right? When it comes to the news and hearing all these Trump stuff and all this stuff going on.
The health effect for those under stress, what do you see?
Well, I mean, acid reflux is for real.
There you go. Yeah, for you, there you go.
For me, that's one of the things. But I would say, hair loss, things like that. I mean, there's just so many things that happen when you're just stressed out all the time.
But also just like I would imagine the inability to stay focused, the inability to pay attention.
Yeah. Well, and that's why I encourage people when they start doom scrolling too much to put their phone down or turn off the TV, not during this segment, but, and just keep doing something else that's different. And
experiencing joy in everyday situations.
Yes.
That becomes more difficult when you're under stress.
Yeah, well, and it's really your thought process too. If you're in this doom and gloom all the time, you're just going to always be focusing and looking for things that are going to attract that.
Maintaining relationships?
Hard. Well, especially with people that might have different opinions than you, right?
Yeah, but also I would imagine for those, and I guess it's probably more for those who are against what's happening as opposed to those who are for could probably experience some stress as well.
Yeah.
But those who are against what's happening, they might feel stuck. They might feel powerless.
Right. Well, yeah, there's a lot of powerlessness going on. I think one thing that I encourage folks is to see what they have control over, right? We can't control what politicians are doing, but we can control certain things by who we vote for and who we surround ourselves with. And if you want a certain candidate, maybe go help poll for them or something like that.
So basically, be proactive.
Be proactive. Yeah, if you sit around and commiserate, you're just going to be unhappy all the time.
But being proactive is different if you don't have the energy, you can't focus. All these stress things are hitting you upside down.
Yeah, or go for a walk. Right now, it's nice.
Yeah, and focus on things that bring you like security and safety and creativity. I mean, I've been reading this book about how the right brain, left brain, and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Let the right brain do its thing and tell the left brain to knock it off for a while.
Yeah, and there's a lot of things that you can do to just make yourself stop thinking about things and focus on something else, and that would be a huge push.
What about community, social support, these sorts of things?
I mean, if they're helping you feel better, I would encourage that. I think there are situations where if you hang out with friends that are feeling like they're living in a dumpster fire all the time, you might not want to be around them either, right? So you got to pick and choose who you're surrounding yourself with.
But are there some folks that want to doom scroll, that feel better when they're in the dumpster fire?
I mean, if it's what their status quo is and what they like to feel, I would say, yeah, there are some people like that, and we got to push them the other way.
All right, you got about 30 seconds here. Your best advice for someone who's just not feeling it right now.
Do something different. Don't keep doing the same thing. If you keep doing the same thing and want the same result, it's going to be the same thing. So do something different. If you're doom scrolling and you're feeling terrible, don't doom scroll. Watch your favorite movie.
Yeah, knock it off.
Yeah, knock it off.
Watch Horizon.
Yeah, there you go.
For the most part.
Yes.
Jose Luis Madera, again, Valleywise Health. Good information. Good to have you here.
Thanks for joining us.